Okay, so today we have a full stream scheduled. I'm checking to make sure the mic is still working. If at any point in time that cuts out, please let me know immediately. I do not want to miss any of the content on today's stream. So today's strategy is that there is a overarching theme for today, which is subjectivity, but there are two major topics. So the first topic is going to be dealing with driving in your car on an everyday situation, and the second topic, bouncing off of the fact that a week ago there was the first presidential debate, I will be sort of giving my opinion on not necessarily the debate or any particular candidate, but how one should go about looking at political information. So I'll go into a little bit more detail with that later, but first off, I want to give a quick update on the data mining project. So as you may know from the previous stream, which I will link in the corner, I was working on adding in or sort of creating a Mach 2 of the data mining project. So this was to sort of shift around the roles of the actual AI, the deep learning, and add in something else. And that something else was to use a version of Newton Rapson, a iterative process which solves linearly combined systems of equations. And it does this very fast. And so what I was hoping was that I would let the AI and the deep learning attempt to create the shape of the equation needed to describe the data, and I would let Newton Rapson quickly figure out the coefficients that would go in front of those linearly combined pieces. Now, I did actually make an attempt at this, and it ran extremely fast. But the problem was that when Newton Rapson, when the Newton Rapson function would analyze and find the coefficients for these terms, it would create a what would be seemingly perfect line through the data, and the problem was that it was getting a perfect score, and so I need to play around with it a little bit. I was trying to switch over to chi-squared, which gives a little bit better picture of goodness of fit. If you know statistics, then you may be able to help me out on here. So if you have any suggestions on how I can get the AI to improve the shape of the model, then please let me know. I am very open to those suggestions because at the moment I'm kind of in a standstill, and so I'm playing around with it. I actually removed Newton Rapson and just played around with the idea of the AI, of the main portion of the program, simply deciding which variables go in what order in a linear combination, and letting the deep learning create more complex variables to put in each spot for an element. So this was a lot slower because the old process of testing the data was simply a lot slower. Newton Rapson, on the other hand, is extremely fast. So this is something that I am going to continue to work on in the days to come. And I will definitely be talking to you about that on Wednesday on the midweek stream. And I want to give a quick apology for the fact that this is a weekend stream on a Monday, but I wanted to make sure that I got this stream out. One, because a portion of it is about the presidential election, and with the debate happening a week ago, I wanted to get this stream out while the topic is still relevant. And also, it's just kind of a personal goal of mine to become a very consistent streamer, streaming once on the weekend and once in the middle of the week. So this is just something that makes me feel better about what I'm putting out on the internet. And I feel like it gives me a little bit better reputation for the people that actually come out to the stream, or for the people that wait around and watch the videos once they are uploaded later on YouTube. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about on the data mining project, and so I'm going to be moving quickly into my first topic.